Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board where Pineapple Papers Crystal came together and we're going to take it off that board, and there's my sketch from Pinterest. Now, I am trying to finish up a small little retreat that a bunch of us friends went on. So these past couple of weeks you have been seeing the pictures. I know that when this goes up, I've already done one layout with this collection, a couple of them actually, and I think this is my last one. I may have one more. It all depends on what I got left. So I am finishing up those trips, let me tell you. So I am following this sketch from, who is it? Chamel. It's one of Chamel's layouts, or one of Chamel's sketches. I can't talk tonight. Lord have mercy. This is going to be a long one if this is how it's going to go. I can tell that I have been doing a lot at school. I've been talking a lot and trying to get things done at school. And I'm like, I can tell. I can definitely tell. Because when I come home and I got to do voiceovers, I'm like, oh. But it's okay. So here I am. I am just cutting up the papers. She has one big one, one paper, one big one, and then a couple of small ones. And then that's kind of it. Sorry about that, excuse me. And you're going to see me change this completely up into mine. So I took the theme of it. I've got 3 photos. I've got different ways of wanting me to do this. And then you will see how I turn the layering pieces into a Miranda layout. So as you can tell, I am just placing down these items to see how I want this done. And then you'll see what I do with the photos and how I do my title and all of that kind of stuff. And I absolutely love these, this collection. It's one of my favorite collections that Simple Stories came out in the last couple of years, and I'm awesome for it. I love it. But I'm also glad that I'm almost done with this thing, because I would love to be able to move on to other collections that are older in my stash, which y'all know I don't have that many old, or I don't have that old of stuff. I think my oldest one that I found is 2014, I think, is the oldest I've gone back. So you know, you guys, I use up my stuff. But here I am. This is how I change it up a little bit. I add 3 longer pieces, and then you'll see how I do my photos as well. So I'm just getting this all placed down. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's perfect for what I wanted it to do. And the photos are of the places that we went to go eat while we were at the retreat in Charlotte. Now, one of the places we went back twice because it's that stinking good. Like, I just loved it. The macaroni and cheese burger that I ate was to die for. If I could say what I really want to say, I would be demonetized on this one, and I would not be able to make just that sliver of, you know, that $2 thing that I make off of a video. It would no longer be there because I said something I shouldn't, but it was amazing. It was to die for. And then I had a different burger. It was like a barbecue type burger. And then we went to a place in downtown Charlotte. Now, don't ask me, I can't remember what place it was. I would have to go back and look. But if you do want to know, I can definitely go back and look through my photos. But it was one that Guy Fieri did with the Triple D. Now, if you don't know what the Triple D is diners, drive-ins, and dives. And let me tell you, this place is a stinking, like, it's in the middle of downtown Charlotte where all of the, like, the, one of the major universities is at. But then when you actually look at the place, it's like, am I really going to the right place? But it's like amazing. It's awesome. And if you're wanting really, really good Southern food, that is the place to go. And it was relatively cheap too. Both places were. And I was able to get a really, really good German beer at one of the places, because when we went to the one in downtown Charlotte, I was the one that actually drove. So I couldn't drink that time, but the times that we went to the burger joint that was by the Tuesday morning that we found, And then when we went to this place and we ate there twice, I was able to drink because somebody else drove. So that was perfect. So here I am, I'm backing it on foam tape. So I add a couple of different layers to this particular photo set so that it's perfect and amazing and it just looks awesome. And I am now getting to the point where I need to buy some foam tape. That I do know. I am almost done. I am finally buying foam tape since I have been back from Germany. It will be 2 years in October. So a whole, we just hit 2 years. So we're going on almost 3 years. And now I'm finally thinking about having to buy foam tape. So I had quite a bit compared to, or when I came from Germany. And then also what I had left over from there. And then what I bought when I first got here. Because I wanted this stuff with the foam. I no longer have any foam left that does not have the sticky side. Which I'm so excited. So at least the sticky side, I have one of them left. Or quite a bit of that left. And none of the other. So now I'm starting to place embellishments. This is a cell phone because, we took selfies and all that stuff. So I thought that that was worthy. And then I placed these 2 little sayings on it because it's perfect. And here's this llama. I love, love, love this llama. I was trying to get this other llama on it and then it didn't work right. But then here I come in with flowers and then I add some fruits and some of the fruit on there. I was going to say vegetables. There's no vegetables on here, but there was some of the fruit and I added that on there. So here I go. I add all of my adhesive. Y'all know that I use the Tamomano adhesive. That has always been my go-to. Y'all know I love it. So I did do a backing with a little bit of my black pen just to add a little bit of dimension to it without adding dimension. And I'm just placing little things. Now you'll see me go through and pick out some hearts and some little dots and enamel dots. And it just turned out the way I want it. It's perfect. It just turned out perfect. Just perfect. Now make sure that you go check out everybody. The hop is all linked down below. You guys know that we do this once a month. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to do this now for quite a good couple of months in a row. So I'm excited for that. I'm glad that I'm able to get this done and be able to do this. And make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel because I will tell you this. I am under, and I'm, truth and honestly, I'm under 70 subscribers to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And I am super duper excited that if you can be able to subscribe because one, you really love what I have here. And I really would love to have you and welcome to the family and, comment down below. I do upload about 2 to 3 times a week. And the month of March, it's coming up for Scrap Madness. If you have been around, you guys know what Scrap Madness is. And get ready for it. If you are new to my channel, check on back because you will see what happens in there. And Laura and I have got something fun to come up with. So here is what I'm just adding little bits and pieces here and there. You'll see me just kind of play around with things and see where I want to place this and place that. And I just love. Now I did do some of the journaling lines and I broke it up a little bit so that it wasn't just all because in the title she did quite a bit. So I put the title where I want it and then I do all the journaling down just like Shamel did in her sketch. And now I'm just adding little bits. Now, I do go off camera and get my title down because you'll start to see what I'm doing. And then I come back and then I finish out with some things. And then that's pretty much it. You guys do know that the still shots are definitely coming up at the end of my process video. And then make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel and then go check out everybody else. If you're starting with me, awesome. Make sure you work your way around. If you've come from somebody, I'm so grateful to have you. So my title is going to be Finger Lickin' Good. I had to stop and find out kind of which ones I want. So the Finger and Good is from Hip Kit exclusive, and then the Lickin', which is in the middle of Finger and Good, those are from Paige Evans. Now, here I am. I'm coming in with close to my heart enamel dots, and I'm placing them all around because these match wonderfully. And that is what I end with. Now, make sure that you go like and subscribe. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.